Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your plan and turning the feature on. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot and toggle it. Set a strong Wi-Fi password so strangers can't join. Once done, note the hotspot name, your iPhone's device name, and keep the screen unlocked briefly while the first device connects. You're doing this now to create a secure, discoverable network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the connecting device, so pairing and connection complete smoothly. Next, connect your other device using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. On the client, select your iPhone's SSID and enter the password you set. Bluetooth pairing works if the device supports it. If you need faster throughput or want to save phone battery, connect via USB and trust the computer when prompted. Once paired, check the status bar for the chainlink icon or blue bar showing active hotspot. Make sure both devices stay within range and avoid heavy background downloads that consume your data. To finish, maintain the connection by keeping iOS updated and setting auto lock to a longer interval while sharing. This prevents unintended sleep. If the hotspot drops, toggle personal hotspot off and back on, restart your iPhone, or reset network settings in Settings General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset. If problems persist, check your carrier account for provisioning or data caps, because sometimes the issue is service-related. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with a second device to isolate whether the phone or client is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.